Gantt chart is how real engineers set up project deadlines and timetables to get their projects done on time. Update the categories on the left as to what you need to do for your capstone project. What kinds of research still needs to be completed? What decisions still do you need to make about what you're going to build and for whom? How much do you need to do in terms of research and shopping to decide what kind of sensors you want and where you can buy them? Who's going to take charge of emailing the senior engineering mentor, and who's going to be the point person to email the rest of the team? Who is going to begin with the writing, and who's going to be the chief writer? Update a full list of who is on your team. If Emily is going to start the research today, and she plans to have it finished by next Monday, mark that on the Gantt chart. If the chief correspondent is going to be Jonah, and he's also going to take care of some of the writing, then he can plan to send the emails 1 week and take care of the writing over the weekend, and have someone else, possibly Olivia, take over the writing for the next week, after she's done her share of the research as well. There are lots of different ways that engineers fill in more than one person. You can do diagonals, you can do patterns, or you could just have the color go either or, depending on your software. You'll make 2 Gantt charts for this project over the course of the year. One for development now, and one for production when you know what you're doing in programming and the parts come in. At that point, you'll have a different chart with who is wiring and testing what. Once you've got your Gantt chart set with who is taking care of what, where, when, and which tasks are a joint effort on behalf of all 3 or 4 members of the team, get started and good luck.